kappa, kappa.
Saturday morning here at S1 Build. We're currently working on my EK hatch that I've mentioned to you guys before. They are currently, as you guys can see, removing the stock motor and replacing it with the B18C1 boosted. They're also going to be doing a complete all-wheel drive kit as well. Of course, cast aluminum arms is what I'm going to be running. I've got my friend Mino here, switching gears on her daily task today and putting her hands on deck as well.
Yeah, we need a new radiator.
Definitely. There's plenty out there. Yeah, there's a bunch of radiators. What is this like? I don't know, there's a little two-step so fast.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. You got it. Okay. Just don't mess up my AC line, please. Now look at me and take your car, man.
Now we found out your problem, you don't have a motor.
There it is. Out. Out with the oil.
You found out what your problem is. You have no motor in it. Why the car got no motor? We're gonna take all this out too. Alright, what in the engine bay needs to come out, Stone?
So what we have here, as you guys can see, is the stock motor that came out of the EK.
D-Series. Save the D-Series.
Yeah, just a plain D-Series motor. And then over here is the new motor, the B18C that I mentioned before. Can't wait. And Son is in the process of transferring the harness.
Yeah. Try to get this thing over there so we can drop it in. They're cleaning up the
and the boys in the back are cleaning out. Hey, Michaela. The boys in the back are cleaning out the engine bay while Son is transferring the harness over.
So they gave me a challenge to finish this in 3 days. So we're gonna see what we can do.
We did. We had a meeting on Tuesday, and we all made a pact that we're gonna get this thing done in 3 days.
Which
All
means
right.
3 Saturdays.
3 Saturdays, of course, because we have to run regular operations on Monday through Friday. So we're taking 3 Saturdays in a row to get this project done. We'll keep you guys posted, of course. So Chad and KK are in the process of cleaning out the engine bay. You know, they have to throw things at each other.
Chad, you got it in the wrong hole. She's recording.
Oh well.
Now everyone knows which hole it's going in.
OMG. You guys, shut your ears for a little bit here. These guys are on Krispy Kreme donuts and about 4 hours of sleep.
I don't eat donuts. I'm sorry.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, perfect. Jay's here. This is his favorite. This is his favorite thing to do.
His favorite thing to do.
It's about time you woke up, boy. Come on, Cletus. Hey, look, perfect time. It's your favorite thing to do. Yeah, buddy. Come on. Yeah, buddy.
Always late. No, just kidding.
Samurai.
That's not you. That's more TK.
Come
Always
on, last
late.
Samurai. Where's my brush? Go grab a brush. You didn't bring a brush for everybody?
Time?
It's cleaning time, yeah.
It's kind of like Clementine, but cleaning time. Right?
No. Wrong.
So now we're in the process of taking the fuel tank out so that we can get it prepped and ready for the all-wheel drive kit.
This
did a good job, man. Cut it.
Yeah, so they removed the food tank and all that on here. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna mount the diff mount. So this is what has to be done on these, you know, pretty much all the kits out there, because if you don't, it's gonna sit too low. So as you can see here, with ours, you can see it goes up to these two bolts right here. See right here. So, but this is in the way. So what we do is, instead of cutting it, most of them we cut. It's right on this line here. But on this EK, we're gonna modify it a little bit because we're not gonna cut too much. We're gonna cut on this line right here. You see this line right here? So we're gonna cut that off so we can mount this up on here. But after we cut it, we're gonna go ahead and weld up a plate on here and here, and then up here for strength. So once we do all that, we'll go ahead. We're gonna paint it. And then after it's painted, we'll put this up. On this one here, it's a little modified a little bit because we're trying to keep it the stealth look. So that's why we don't have the plate on here. The S1 plate. What we're gonna do, that's what these holes are for. We put that hole in there because we're gonna put just a cover on here. We're gonna paint it black, so you don't see nothing down there, because we're trying to keep this cloth stock looking as possible. We're gonna even try to put the stock back on here. So we're gonna cut that. So, Chad, this is what we're talking about. Chad cut this up here. So now what we're going to do is, now you can see where this thing fits on this. See it? You can look over here. Right there. How it fits. But before we do that, we're going to strengthen this. I don't like how
We're gonna put plates in between them.
between here, and then also a plate in between here. Our kit, this one here, see, goes all the way out here. And this is also for like the EG, CRX and all that, but we made it smaller so we're using a CRV dip. So, and this is the plate.
Usually we have to shave it
like
up
that.
to there. Yeah. We're gonna shave this all the way to the top so that this fits in here like that.
And it goes in here like this. Same thing with this right here. It's going to be boxed in for the strength, because if you don't, it's going to flex.
Delivery for S1.
Oh my God! Look who's here.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
Good,
Hey.
good.
What's up?
What's up? How you doing? How you doing?
Ron,
Good.
Chris,
Yeah.
Michelle.
Here you go.
Where's my parts?
Nate.
I know, right? They promised one too. Nice, happy man.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys remember, but Eric is one of our friends from 20 plus years ago back in Fort Polk.
What's up, guys?
During the 4th of July, when we went to San Francisco and met up with all the guys, he was one of them.
That looks
And
nice,
he's
bro.
down here visiting right now. Brought us a little gift.
Hey!
Eric, this is your first time here, huh?
Yeah, for real.
Oh, yeah. Let me show you around. So we're going to go this week. We're going to go hit a bunch of junkyard.
Yeah, and it's pretty fast too, man. I use that part exactly what he wants. Saw that piece out. Yeah, just cut the bolts and everything because I didn't want to, like, rusty screws and all that.
Yeah. But we have a system that we get it out pretty fast.
My camera.
And look, the guys are actually just coming back from lunch. Took a little break from it, and now we're gonna get back into it and start off with the diff area, or pick up from where we left off with the whole diff.
Yeah, I know.
These go like this. You put these on just like that. Tack them, and then we make that one fit. And then
So there you have it. The rear subframe has been notched out. As you can see, we ended up having to notch it out bigger than what Son had initially mentioned before, just so that we could accommodate the diff bolts. And the plates that we also mentioned earlier has now been installed, welded, sealed, and primered to prevent rust. And of course, a trunk cover plate will be installed there to cover that hole. Next will be the main subframe brace, along with some brackets and some plates for better reinforcement. So there you have it. We've got the main subframe braced up there, along with the additional brackets and plates welded and installed in place. Once again, we're giving it that stealth look. This is going to be a sleeper, so everything is going to be powder coated and painted in black. And then when we do hit up the shows, of course, we're going to be putting our S1 dimple die plate right over the black, just like so. And that basically concludes our day one of this project, this EK all-wheel drive project. Once again, we've given ourselves 3 Saturdays to complete this project. And this concludes day one. Stay tuned for day 2 and the final day. Thank you guys for watching.
Got the mind of scaling times. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of scaling times. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of scaling times. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of scaling times. Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping. S1